Hello, in this video, I'll be discussing the themes one can find in piano and drums. There are four themes that are obviously embedded in piano and drums. One of it is conflict. This theme is so obvious that you get a cultural clash and the conflicts experienced by Africa and Europe. The, the citizens of Africa actually experience the lifestyles and the ways of life gotten from their ancient forefathers. They actually enjoy it, but the incoming of these colonial masters, these Europeans, they come in with their own lifestyle in form of piano. They come in and then there is a cultural clash and conflict between these two words. The lifestyle of the ancient African ways and also the new ways of these Europeans. So there is a conflict, a theme of conflict in piano and drums. Number two is problem of identity. The problem of identity, which is a theme, is experienced by the educated Africans. These Africans who have left their motherland to the European countries for education and enlightenment. They experience this way of life, these new ways, this information, and there is a problem of identity whereby they are Africans because they are black. They don't really have identity of their from where they're from because they are changed, all changed. They speak like these Europeans, they do like these Europeans, they behave like these Europeans, they dress like these Europeans. So there is a problem of identity by these educated Africans because they gradually have forgotten the ways of their forefathers. Number three thing is there's a subtle warning against dependency. There is this subtle warning one can find in the poem, which is a theme against dependency of these European ways, these European products, their resources and everything that they bring from their country into Africa. There is this subtle warning against them that we Africans, Africans should not depend on this way of life and these products. We should have pride in our way of life. We should have pride in our products. We should have pride in our local dealings. And the last thing one can find is loss of Africa's perfect states. There is this thing here, whereby in the first stanza it was painted a picture of Africa, whereby Africa enjoy a state of peace, a state of serenity of the nature they find themselves, a state whereby they actually enjoy their crude ways of living, and then in the coming in of this Western culture by these European colonial masters, they brought in their way of life, and then this way of life actually comes as a clash and conflict against the African ways. So there is this loss of Africa's perfect state whereby they don't have peace of mind anymore. They are confused in order not to leave the ways of their forefathers and take up the ways of these Europeans. So there is this loss of Africa's perfect state. So these are basically the things that are obvious in piano and drums. In our next video, I'll be treating the poetic devices used by Gabriel Okara in piano and drums.